Hey guys, we are always working with these big IDs and other developer convenience tools that we don't really remember how to use the terminal or command prompt. So here is a simple Java program for printing hello world written with Java 25's new shorter syntax. Now to compile this, we need to give a small command in the terminal. So this command is basically javac space the name of the Java file. Basically, here it is the hello world.java. So now the program will compile and a new dot class file will be formed, like you can see in the sidebar over here. Now this compiled class file or the bytecode needs to be interpreted and run. So here and what we'll do is we'll write another command to invoke the interpreter, and we are going to give only the name of the file this time without the extension. So hello world, and just going to enter here. Now the command will run the program.